So what is a shower steamer? A shower steamer is basically like a bath bomb, but it's for your shower. I was so happy that I found these because I don't have a bath in my house, so I'm able to use these in my shower. It looks like this. It's round at the top, but then it has a flat bottom so that I'm able to place it at the bottom of my shower in the corner. This is a pack of happy steamers that I got from Winners. It's a pack of 6. They're made with goat milk and avocado oil, and when you use them, it releases essential oils into the air and it helps nourish your skin. Well, let me show you how to use these. It's pretty simple. I was wondering, just like you guys, like, what are these? Can they really work? So all I do is I take out one and you just unwrap it because they're individually wrapped, and then you just put it underneath the water so that it gets going. It will start to fizzle up. You'll see it form these little bubbles, and then you just place it on the floor in the corner of your shower, and that's it. You just basically just set it there and it releases the oils into the air. I hope this was helpful. Love you guys so much. Bye.